Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent these Enhan twinkling Halloween lights to go ahead and tell you all about them, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So these are purple Halloween slash Christmas lights for decorating for a tree, for if you want your tree to be purple, or for Halloween decorations. As you can see, they come in purple. They also come in orange. The purple are darker because purple is a darker color. The orange are a little bit brighter. But these are not LEDs. These are incandescent lights. So these are real light bulbs, the little wire in the middle, so they actually have a little bit more of a nicer effect. I'll kind of talk about them in a moment. But let me tell you what you get. It comes in a 2-pack, so each pack is about 100 bulbs. It's about 100 bulbs. The strand is about 20 feet long, and it does have on it, you'll see, there are some twinkling bulbs. I believe something like 20 or 10 or 15 bulbs out of each strand are actually twinkly. It's a nice effect. It's not a real bright flash. It's more of a twinkle. Let me see if I can get one. Let me see if I can get a twinkly here, and we'll show it to you. So here's a solid bulb, and then here is a twinkly bulb. And the twinkly bulb just kind of fades on and off. Some of them are a little bit random of a fade. Some fade a little faster. Some fade a little slower. But it is kind of a nice little twinkle. And again, here's the solid one. You can kind of see. It's a nice color. I like it a lot. The twinkly actually adds kind of a nice randomness to it instead of the whole flashing sort of a thing. So I do like the way these things look. A couple of the nice features with this. This is a black cord. I don't know if you can see that there. It's not dark green. It is black. And when the bulbs are off, they actually look fairly black. But if you hold them up to the light, you can see there's a little bit of a purplish here. They're just like regular Christmas light. They do have a glass globe here, again, incandescent. And I do want you to see the bulbs themselves. They do have little clips on the end. Let me see if I can get that just right. They have little clips for clipping onto things. Not a lot of Christmas lights have these anymore. That's just a really nice feature. But you can clip that onto decorations or to an edge of something. You can put it onto like a little ghost. I clipped a little one over here. You can kind of clip it onto stuff. It just kind of helps things stay in place. There is a 2-prong plug on the end, and yes, you can go ahead and put strands together. I believe you can put up to 3 strands together. There is a fuse in there as well, so that's kind of a nice protection. These are outdoor lights, so you can use them inside or outside. So inside for a Halloween party of some sort, or outside for Halloween decorations, that's fine. I am definitely going to use them on my porch out here as a covered porch, but it is outside. You also get a little bag full of extra bulbs. I get 4 extra bulbs and looks like 2 extra fuses, so that's kind of nice in case you have a problem. You do have some extras. You can go ahead and just put new bulbs in or put a new fuse in. So again, these are great for porches. These are great for railings. You can kind of put it around the door. If you make your own Halloween wreath like my wife did, we are going to put the lights onto this at some point, probably a little later in the season. But you just kind of can wrap it around. Again, that's 20 feet of lighted string, so that's plenty to wrap around to really kind of bring out the purple of this wreath. But what we're going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and wait for it to get darker, and I'll kind of show you what they look like in the dark weather. It looks really great. And here we are at night, and you can see they're nice and purpley. They are twinkly. This is just a neat little Halloween scene here. We've got a pumpkin, a skeleton, and a ghost, all decorated with purple lights. You can see that they are very purpley. You can see the twinkling. It just looks really pretty neat. I like the purple lights. You don't normally see purple lights. I kind of like it a lot there. It just looks really good. These are, again, pretty high quality. They're dark cords, nice coloring, incandescent, not LED, so you don't get the flicker. I just really kind of like them. They look really great, and they are highly recommended.